Hi everyone, welcome to Cook's Travel. My name is Burak. I'm trying to give you every week with very special ingredient I usually use in my dishes. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Today I'm going to talk about one of the top key ingredient in Asian dishes. It's got a golden color, a strong flavor. It dominates the color whenever you put any dishes. It can be used in sweets, it can be used as a pickle, it can be used in any curry dish, and especially from India to the China, people usually use as a powder. In other countries, we usually store it as a powder. It's pretty fine, still very healthy, it's easier to store it. So what is turmeric? Tumeric plant. It is very, very popular in Asia. We usually find it in some other countries now, but it's a very ancient plant. It's been found more than 5,000 years ago, and still there's a paintings of the turmeric in some Asian caves. It's got a traditional side of it, healthy side of it, tasty side of it. It's a lot of side of it. So let's get started. Tumeric plants goes up to the 2 meters, but usually found about 1.5 meters. It's got big large leaves. It's usually a 1 meter leaf, about like 40 centimeters big. It can live more than 2 years and looks for usually very warm or hot climate. Mostly people plant it, the climate gives about between 20 to 30 centimeter degrees during a year. We usually use the leaves for the storing and cooking some ingredient inside of it, but the most popular part of it is the root. In the root, we get the inside of it very golden color. We call it curcumin. It's very rich in flavor. It's rich in minerals and vitamins. It helps the body for refreshing. I'm gonna come to that later. In tradition, people usually use the turmeric for the coloring reason. They paint the dress, they paint furniture, they paint some gifts, and they believe turmeric has got stronger energy in some countries in Asia. In Asia, I find out the monks and priests use the turmeric for the painting their dress. In India, some teenagers use the coloring side of the turmeric in special festivals. In culinary use, it's a very primary product of the curry and key product of Asian dishes. In even Vietnam and Thailand, they usually use it in some rices and chicken dish, especially when they use stew method. Turmeric can be burned easily, so when you are cooking it, you gotta be a little bit careful. Don't try to put too much turmeric, especially in the beginning of cooking process, because oil will burn turmeric quickly and you're gonna lose flavor, color, and all minerals. At the end of it, you're gonna have a little bit burnt taste. When you see the plant of the turmeric, it's a pinky, beautiful flavor. Sometimes it gives green flowers to it. Now I'm gonna talk about the healthy side of turmeric. In Asia, I had a turmeric tea. It was a great. I've been told it was very, very, very healthy. What is the special effects to the body? Turmeric, it's got so many minerals. It can balance your hormone levels in your body. It keeps you away from depression. It's an anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, can prevent you from the heart disease and brain disease, can sharpen your eye vision, and especially for the older people. Good for the skin cells. People usually rubs onto the body or take as a tablet. Sometimes they can buy it from the chemists. Turmeric known as a fight of diabetes. Some people use it for the digestion issues, especially overfull feelings in the stomach or gut. They usually add some turmeric into the tea. Storing it is very easy. You can keep it as a fresh one into your dry storage for a longer time or keep it in your fridge. Alternatively, you better buy powder in small jars. You can keep it like up to 2 years or 3 years, whatever that is expired or best before date. And try to use it every week, at least 3 or 4 times in your dishes. thank you very much for today. I hope you're gonna use turmeric more often after this video. Please like and share my video. If you've got any questions, please write on the comment below. See you.